It's like be a phenom at the night, be a phenom at the night, yo, that's how I roll. Yeah, shadow mode, dog boy, 400 hit, dog boy, hell, razor blade to your face. They want that face to the face with this razor blade. Yeah, so how do you feel? Strapped to that chair, gonna take you there to down to the land of the undead soldier here, walking in the land of the undead, face to the face. They want that, what you mean? Yeah, so gonna take it there. Man and man, man and ham, man and fam, man and gram. Motherfuckers don't know about the dog boy 400, cause I'm here on YouTube and down on the floor. Motherfuckers don't know how I get down, how I get down. Let me show you how I get down with this razor blade to your face, razor blade to your face. Slice you up, got blood on my hands, dog, got blood on my hands. That's how I feel, dog. Don't really care, do I take it there? Do I tell it to your motherfuckers? Gonna win it back to the Mini Mac, yeah. Now how do I go down to the motherfucking pro down? Dog boy 400 here, dog boy there, yeah. Shadow mode. Shove a grenade down your throat, watch it blow up as I walk away, rip your spine out like a tail, gush it out. Coolest, the foolest, the motherfucking goonest. Back to the days in the motherfucking 86 too. I was a reject, motherfucking get your heat. Shadow mode, dog boy 400 here. Undead soldier, welcome to the land of the undead. Lorain, Ohio. 2022. Most wanted.